iPhone 13, 3D printed models show full-line design. The iPhone 13 will be officialized by Apple sometime between the months of September and October, bringing some minor visual changes, as well as some other modifications in the technical characteristics part, such as promotion screen for the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Maximum. Now, photos of printed 3D models show the design of the entire line. These images were posted by Sonny Dixon via his @SonnyDixon Twitter profile. In the photo, you can see the 4 iPhone 13 models, including the standard 13 and 13 mini, which should bring changes to the camera module. It is also clear that the iPhone 13 Pro module will be significantly larger than the normal iPhone 13, unlike the current generation where only the Pro Max variant has a differentiated set. The iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max should also gain a new screen technology, with the adoption of Promotion, the name given by Apple for a display with a higher refresh rate, more precisely 120 Hz. Batteries must also be new sizes. The larger device would have a 4,352 mAh cell, while the smaller Pro and 13 standard would have a 3,095 mAh battery. Finally, the smallest of the 4 must have a 2,406 mAh cell. Unfortunately, there is still no specific date for the presentation of the devices, but as the days go by, new rumors should appear.